Hello and welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. I'm Elisa, and today we're going to move forward and learn the sounds of the letters. You remember there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. There are 6 vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. The rest of the letters are called consonants. All totaled, there are 26 letters. However, there are 44 different sounds created by those 26 letters. Oh my. But don't worry, there are some key sounds that we will be focusing on in these next few videos. Let's begin with the letter A. A is a vowel, and vowels have 2 main sounds: a long sound and a short sound. The long sound of the letter A and all vowels is the same as the name of the letter. So the long sound of A is A. A. Say it with me. A. A. Ape. Ape. Cape. Cape. Plate. Plate. A. Amy ate a plate of cake. Amy ate a plate of cake. Got it? Now the short sound, it's called short, is a little bit shorter. For A, it's ah. Ah. Say it with me. Ah. Ah. Apple. Apple. Cat. Cat. Hat. Hat. Ah. Anne added an app to her Apple iPhone. Anne added an app to her Apple iPhone. Let's move on to the letter B. B. B is a consonant. B sounds like B. B. The lips come together, B, and you just let the air out. Bunny. Bunny. Or bat. Bat. Or baby. Baby. Bubble. Bubble. The baby blue bubbles. The baby blue bubbles. Got it? That's B. Let's move on to the letter C. C is a consonant, but C has 3 different sounds. I'm only going to focus on 2. The 2 most important sounds for beginning English. Those sounds are the hard sound k, and the soft sound. So the hard sound of C is k, k, as in cat, cat, or coffee, coffee, or cop, cop. The caterpillar crawled carefully. The caterpillar crawled carefully. Notice it sounds like a k when the letter after the C is either an A, cap, cap, an O, cop, cop, or a U, cup, cup. If there is an A, an O, or a U, after the C, it will sound like k, k. The other primary sound for C is like an S. The teeth are together and you push air through your teeth. City, city, city. Or scent, scent. And the color cyan, cyan. So it sounds like an S, cyan. So if the C is followed by an I, an E, or a Y, it has the soft sound. Cycles circulate in the city. Cycles circulate in the city. That's all for today's lesson. You learned the sounds for A, B, and C. Next time, we'll learn D, E, and F. Take care and have a wonderful day.